Hello, welcome back. It is day 2, and today I went back to paper trading, and I will tell you why. I went back to paper trading today because my funds that I deposited into Webull on my friend's account still has not settled. So, like I said in the last video, I have to wait 30 days to get my personal account at level 2. So, I'm going to practice on my friend's account who has no idea how to trade. So, I'm just going to pretend it's my account. And anyway, let's talk about what I did today. What I did and what I learned so I can pass this knowledge on to you and we can all learn, we can all be happy, make lots of money together. So, I decided, since I'm not doing anything with real money today, let's practice on something I know nothing about, which is investing, day trading, scalping Tesla. Scalping Tesla is a nightmare. That's what I found out today. So here's the chart from the open today. Just look at this mess. Absolute mess. I mean, you can see it's clearly going up and down, and then that might fool you that, like, oh yeah, it's gonna go up and down. So whoever whoever bought puts here got massively screwed over, because then it all of a sudden out of nowhere, like 5x'd out of nowhere. Tesla's crazy. And then I came up here at the top here, and I said, oh, look, it came up all the way up here. It must want to go back down right after that. So when I got up here, I bought some puts, and I paper traded my small portfolio. So last week I was paper trading a $1,000,000 portfolio, and this week I said, hey, let's practice paper trading a $250 portfolio, because you're gonna learn a lot more if you try growing a $250 portfolio than if if you try trading a $1,000,000 portfolio. You already got it pretty easy. You're already up at the top. So if you start really low, then you're gonna learn a lot more, because there's a lot more discipline involved, because you're gonna grow it, one little by little, and it's gonna compound. If you can make a 30% compound every day on a $200 portfolio, yeah, in a month you'll be at like 20 something $1,000 if you can make 30% every day. But you have to be very disciplined, which I learned today. One bad day, let's say you're doing 30% every day on the portfolio. You have one bad day, like the day I did today with this messing around with Tesla, to mess up your whole portfolio. So you got to be really careful. So don't go in here and do what I did today. Don't don't think that this is gonna come back down right here. I mean, I was thinking, hey, let's just be patient, and eventually it did come back down. But I don't know, since it was fake money and I didn't really care, I was just like, hey, let's sell it. And one of the big things when you in the trading community is you never want to say could've, you never want to say would've, you never want to say should've. Those are banned vocabulary. So I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say should've, would've, or could've, but I could've. Anyway, let's move on. Once it did start going down here, I did catch a little bit of the puts, but not enough to bring my portfolio back to positive. And I did a little bit of SPY today. I'll pull up what SPY had. SPY was a little bit messy today too. I couldn't really get in on anything here. It wasn't very consistently going up and down. It kind of just was like all over the place. So, I mean, the resistance level definitely, the support level that I have drawn up here was definitely correct. But I don't know, that Tesla trade today and losing all the, fake money really messed me up. I need to work on, what I learned today is I need to work on maintaining my sanity from bad trades. If you are trading for the first time and you're a beginner and you have two bad trades, just walk away. Just don't try to freaking get it back, because it's gonna drive you nuts. You need to just walk away and try again tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day. Don't spend the whole day trying to get your portfolio back, because you might just clear out your entire portfolio trying to chase back and fix your mistakes. So discipline, guys. Patience, very important. So that's day 2. We will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is FOMC, which is, I forget what it's called. I forget what that stands for. FOMC. I was Googling stuff. FOMC. It is the Federal Open Market Committee. So this is 8 times a year. And I don't know much yet. Like I said, we're learning together here. This is gonna be a journey between both of us. So some guy goes up and talks about the market and the current status of how things are going, and then that drastically affects the S&P 500 and all the big funds. So that's why tomorrow is a perfect day to scalp. So we will see you guys tomorrow. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Stay tuned. See you guys next time.